Hey guys, how are y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, we're just going to clean my refrigerator out. This is something I've been wanting to do for weeks. Honestly, I've been wanting to do it for months. But I've just been so lazy and so pregnant. I am currently 35 weeks pregnant. So getting a boost of energy, I will clean something out. So that's what I did. I went grocery shopping. I still felt good. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna finally clean this damn refrigerator. So I did. It didn't take long, maybe about 20-30 minutes. But afterwards, I felt so good. I was so excited. It made me want to be in the kitchen a little more. It made me even cook a meal because I was like, I know where everything is at. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I truly appreciate it. And I hope you enjoy this video. And I hope it gives you an encouragement to even clean out your fridge. Let's not be cochinos now. Anyways, it's not that hard, and I promise you'll feel better at the end. But I hope you enjoy the video, and I mean, you know, have a good rest of your day. So as you can see, it is really dirty, crusty, it has a lot of residue. Look at that. So it was definitely time for a much needed. Okay, I know I said to have a good day, but I'm back. Because I just wanted to say how satisfying is it to have a nice stocked, organized refrigerator, but my goal is to buy those refrigerator organizers so I can take it to the next level. Guys, you always gotta try to keep leveling up. Even if that means making your refrigerator sexy. And that's sexy. Also, I wanted to say for the people that don't know Spanish or Spanglish, cochinos means don't be a nasty ass mother sucker. Just clean your fridge. That's what it means. Basically, you just learned a new word. And for the ones that do know what it means, you already know the deal. But yeah, here's the finished refrigerator. I hope it brought you some Alright, I can't say that word, but I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.